Hello everyone, in this video, I will show how to buy index funds on Fidelity. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. The first thing you need to do is log into your Fidelity account. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can view your balances, investments, and available cash for investing. Before purchasing an index fund, make sure you have money available in your Fidelity account. If you need to add funds first, you can transfer money from a linked bank account through the transfer section of the platform. Once your account is funded, navigate to the Trade section located in the main menu. Click on it and select the option to place a trade. Next, select Mutual Funds if you want to purchase a traditional index mutual fund, or choose Stocks ETFs if you plan to buy an index ETF. For this example, we'll focus on index mutual funds, which are one of the most popular investment choices among long-term investors. Fidelity will then ask you which account you would like to use for the investment if you have multiple accounts. Now enter the ticker symbol of the index fund you want to purchase. Fidelity offers several well-known index funds that track different segments of the market. Once you enter the symbol, Fidelity will display information about the fund, including its objective, performance information, and other important details. Once you've confirmed the fund, select Buy from the Action menu. Then, enter the dollar amount you would like to invest. For example, if you recently transferred $100 into your account, you can enter $100 as your investment amount. Fidelity will use those funds to purchase shares of the index fund. After entering the investment amount, click Preview Order. Fidelity will display a summary of the transaction showing the fund you're purchasing and the amount you're investing. Review the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click Place Order. Your order will then be submitted and executed at the fund's next available price. Keep in mind that mutual fund orders are typically executed after the market closes, so you may not see the final purchase price until the end of the trading day. Once the transaction is completed, your new index fund investment will appear in your portfolio and account holdings. You can monitor the performance of your investment at any time by visiting your account summary, positions page, or portfolio section within Fidelity. And that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.